Hello, I'm Reginald DesRoches, President of Rice University. At Rice, we are committed to becoming the world's premier teaching and research university by delivering unparalleled personalized education and propelling breakthrough discoveries to transform lives and better humanity. One of our key goals is to lead innovations in health, healthcare, and medicine. I am excited to speak to you today about a critical priority for us: brain health. The escalating burden of neurodegenerative and mental health disorders has taken a staggering toll on both individual well-being and the overall global economy. Rice is at the forefront of the brain-positive economy transition through pioneering efforts such as the Neuropolicy program at Rice's Baker Institute of Public Policy. The program's success is palpable as we integrate new neuroscience-informed policy approaches at multiple scales: at the university, in the Texas Medical Center, our neighbor and the world's largest healthcare complex, with Houston's Chamber of Commerce and the 24 Fortune 500 companies it represents, and at the state, federal, and global level. This work is occurring in collaboration with the World Economic Forum and the McKinsey Health Institute. We are also spearheading Rice's Neuroengineering Initiative, a collaborative, multidisciplinary program that brings together the brightest minds in neuroscience, engineering, and related fields to improve lives by restoring and extending the capabilities of the human brain. This year, Houston Methodist Hospital and Rice launched the Center for Neurosystems Restoration, a unique interdisciplinary center for neuroscience research and treatment innovation. Another key collaborator in this effort is the University of Texas Medical Branch at Galveston. We look forward to a bright future with them and ask you to join us in celebrating their recently announced Brain Health Institute, funded by the visionary Moody family of Texas. In addition, Rice's exceptional psychological sciences department uniquely blends the science of human brain with the science of human behavior and performance. Our breadth of research priorities creates a unique learning and research environment. Rice and our partners will help Texas become the world leader in the field, as we have with cancer care and research. In 2025 and the years ahead, we will continue to unite public, private, and philanthropic stakeholders to advance innovations on every front. We invite you to learn more about Rice's efforts and how to partner with us on this critical issue. Please join us and visit rice.edu to learn more.